that word with the letter C in it. You choose C for cat or C for chicken. Like this chicken? Seriously? Okay, I'm trying to do a video. He doesn't understand that. So that is why it is so wrong to use C for chicken. I will be sharing with you 26 alternative ways of spelling words. And the best part, they are universally accepted. If this is something you'd like to see, then keep on watching. So let's get right into it. A for apple, B for ball, Z for zebra, Q for queen. That boat sailed long after nursery school. Okay, maybe elementary school. But if you're in secondary school, you're in college, university, and you're in the corporate world, you're an entrepreneur, you're running your own business, and basically you're an adult, and you're still saying C for chicken. It is so not allowed. Okay? So whether it's for hotel reservations, setting up a new account, making flight arrangements, whatever the purpose, so long as it requires you to spell a word or words or your name, please guys, desist from using those ones. Let's stick with the internationally acceptable ones, the phonetic alphabets. Okay? So where do we take it from?
Let's start at the very beginning.
A.
A will be alpha,
E.
echo,
I.
India,
F.
foxtrot and not fish,
J.
Juliet,
N.
November,
R.
Romeo,
V.
Victor,
Y.
Yankee.
B.
And that's bravo for a like. Yeah, give us a like.
Q.
Quebec,
U.
uniform,
G.
good. G is not for goat. G is for golf. Are you kidding me? Don't mess up my video. Okay.
K.
Kilo,
O.
Oscar,
S.
Sierra,
W.
whiskey,
D.
Delta,
H.
hotel,
L.
Lima,
P.
Papa,
T.
tango,
X.
X-ray. So let's do this. Spell your name in the comment section below using these phonetic alphabets. Please don't spell your name as mango, ikorekpene, keke, and please, if your name is Mike, for example, I want you to go. Funny enough, M represents Mike. So you have Mike, you have India, you have Kilo, and you have Echo. May I know your name? My name is Ebele. Okay, ma'am, please spell that. I'll definitely go Echo, Bravo, Echo, Lima, and Echo. Why in the world will I go egg, lorry, egg, what's the other thing? Ball or bole? Leave the bole, leave the lorry or lolly or anything. Just Echo, Bravo, Echo, Lima, Echo. And that spells Ebele. Spell your name and let's hear it in the comment section. If you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's take it from the very beginning.
A very good place to start.
Shall we? Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India, Juliet, Kilo, Lima, Mike, November, Oscar, Papa, Quebec, Sierra, Tango, Uniform, Victor, Whiskey, X-Ray, Yankee, and Zulu. Now spell your name using these NATO Phonetic Alphabets. And don't forget to check out our previous video and subscribe if you haven't already. Until we see you in the next one, cheers.
J.
Juliet. Go on. Stop.